You got it. All right, so let's think about our math facts, the big ones, the 6, 7s, and 8s. Which math fact is this?
7 by
8 times 7.
7 times
8 times 7. 8 times 7.
Oh, I didn't see the 8.
8 times 7.
8 times 7. That's a big fact, right?
Yeah.
8 times 7 or 7 by 8, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to think about this idea of halves and doubles. Okay? Halves and doubles. What kind of numbers can we do halves and doubles with? Even numbers,
Yeah.
right? Half of 7 we can do, but it gets into parts. Half of an even number is nice 2 equal parts, right? So what's half of 8?
4.
4. You see that I have 8 going down the side?
Yeah.
I'm going to take half of that.
You could break it up.
Ooh. So what is 7 times 4? Half of it.
28.
Right? We know our 4s. 7 times 4 is 28. So what would 7 times 8 be?
7 times 8 would be
32. No, 34.
How much was 7 times 4?
28. So 28 plus 28.
So 28 plus 28.
40.
Getting closer. Give it a think. 28 plus 28. Take your time. Give me a thumbs up when you know it.
56. I mean,
Thumbs up.
50. Oh.
56.
Totally.
So we can figure out this big 7 times 8 with thinking of our even number being cut in half, breaking it up into a smaller problem, right?
Yeah.
And then doubling the answer.
Oh, that was easy. Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
hold on a second. You're here for 6s. There isn't even a 6 here. But we have a strategy. Let's see.
So, double it, add one more, double it, add one more.
I'm kind of trying to think how to call it. All right, let's do this one. What fact do we have?
7 times 6.
7 times 6.
7 times 6. Is there an even number in our fact?
Yes.
7 times 6.
3. It's half of 3.
Wait, slow down.
Oh.
Hear what you're saying.
3 times 7 is 21.
42. Here we go. You know your 6s.
Then do 10 times 3.
Well, hold on.
60. 81
So we've got 7 times 6. What's half of 6?
3.
3. 7 times 3 is
20.
21. So take that answer and
Double it. It's 42.
6 times 7 is
42.
42. Cool. What's this math fact?
8 by 6.
8 by 6.
8 by 6. 8 times 6. Are there any even numbers in this math fact?
You could do both. There's 2.
There's 2 even numbers.
8.
Which way do you want to? Which number do you want to cut in half? The 6 or the 8? The 6. So I'm going to look at my array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half of that. So what is the math fact?
3 times 8. 24.
All right. So half of the 6 was 3. So 8 times 3 is
25.
Oh.
8 times 3 is
24.
24.
24 plus 24 equals 48.
24 plus 24 equals 48. So now you know 6 times 8 is 48.
Yeah.
What would you call this strategy?
I would call it.
What am I doing to each of my big arrays? What did I do first?
You're breaking it up.
Into what kind of parts?
Half
Parts. So I'm finding halves. Half it. Then what did we do with the half answer?
Doubled it.
Doubled it. So what do you think we could call this? First we
Break it up and
half it.
and put it together. Break it up and put it. Hey.
Half. Then double.
Double. Strategy.
It's half it, then double. Because all of these are array breakup strategies. The double and add one more, that's a breakup array strategy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So all of these are. So this is a different kind of breakup array strategy, and we can call it half, then double, because that's exactly what we're doing.
Yeah.
Halving and then doubling.
Oh,
Does that make sense?
that makes sense.
Yeah, and when we look back at our multiplication chart, this strategy covers almost the rest of our little box left. Okay? 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 8, 48. 7 times 8, 56. Those are reflected on the other side, right? These are the same exact answers over here.
So can we do that now?
Yeah? No, hold on. So you've almost known, this is almost the rest of your facts. The rest of the square. Okay? So let me see what you can tell me about this strategy. I'm going to take these arrays away. And we'll see if we can share out any. All right?
Could we put our thumb up and whoever does it first?
What I want you to do, I'm going to hold up the fact.
Okay.
First, I want you to think in your own brain and then give me a thumbs up. And then I want you to talk to your partner about it. And then I'll have someone share.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Wait.
Give your brain a chance to think about it. Okay, and then turn and talk about how you talked about it. And why don't you talk about this one, and on the next one you'll have a chance. And you do the talking on this one. Okay? Turn and talk. How did you solve it?
So I did half of it.
Why'd you get 21?
I did 3 times 7 because 3 is half of 6. And it equals 21.
No.
Excellent strategy, but I heard you say half of 6. There's not a 6 in this problem. So half of 8 would be
4.
4.
4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 7. Oh.
Yes, we have.
Yeah.
20, 24.
Yeah.
Alright.
48. 28.
It's 48. I think it's 48 because I broke up 8 and half of 8 is 4.
Yes.
So 4 times 7 is 28.
Yes.
So then you would do 28 plus 28. That would equal 48.
So close. 28 plus
50.
28,
56.
56. So 7 times 8 is 56. Excellent strategy. Okay, let's try the next one.
Okay.
What would it be? Which will it be?
7 times 6. Oh.
Okay, think for yourself first. Give your brain a chance. How can we figure out 6 times 8? Now remember on this one, they're both even. So you could have cut them both in half. So when you listen to your partner, see if they're doing the same way you did. All right, the other person have a chance to tell me. Go ahead.
So break this 6 up, and that's 3. 3 times 8 equals 24, right? And 24 plus 24 equals 48.
Okay, very good. Good thinking. It was 48. You know what I heard you do, which is a very common mistake? You doubled the 8. You cut the 8 in half to 4, and you cut the 6 in half to 3. Just pick one. Just pick one, because on our big array here, we decided to go this way. Cut it in half along the 6. You were going to cut it in half by 6, and cut it in half by 8, like this. And you made it really small, but I heard you say 12. This is 12. So you double 12 to get 24, and you double it again to get 48. So that works.
I also noticed something.
What did you notice?
So I noticed that when it was 7 times 8, that it was 56.
Mm-hmm.
And then now you just have to subtract 7,
Yes.
and then it would equal 48.
Yes, you're talking about another strategy. You find a closer fact that you know and then add on the set. Great. Any strategy to help you think about these is a good strategy. So you guys are ready for your sixes, but what I want to challenge you to do is these are the 3 facts really that are left for you to learn. And they can all be strategized with this half the even number and then double your answer. Okay? Or any other benchmark numbers that you would make sense. Okay? So you guys are so close to knowing all your facts. Good hard work. I'm proud of your work. Thank you guys. All right. Boss.